Hi, I'm Connie with Free Motion by the River, and today it is day 4 of the Advent calendar from Soft Squares and Missouri Star Quilt Company. So let's take a look and see what we have. This is my package from Soft Squares. Obviously, it's some fabric, and I can never have too much fabric. Ooh. This is Ruby Star, and this is the black background, navy blue, brown, and some gold spots on it. It's a 2-yard cut of navy to add to your stash. That's beautiful fabric. I like that. That'll fit into my stash. So that was day 4 from Soft Squares. I had to go through this because they were just buried. So I had to kind of move them around. This is day 4. Feels like some kind of a template. Oh yeah. Bow Wow Meow mug rugs. Oh, so there's that. Look at this. These are so cute. These are templates so that you can make mug rugs. Make a cat and a dog. I do like those. Those are really cute. And I like the way that they're doing it with just squares. Let's see. 5-inch squares. So we've already got the fabric for that. So those are cute. I like those. So thank you for seeing what was here on day 4, and then we will do day 5. Thanks.